My friend. Irvin? Irvin?
What do you want, Ahmed?
Irvin, where are you going?
What do you want?
Where are you going?
Tu apa yang mesti buat aku nak pergi mana pun? Cuma kau pakai aku.
Where are you going?
Allah lah, aku ni kalau boleh kasih gini ni. Kalau sudah ada kasih, putus tu sehari. Okay, sehari. Okay, what do you want?
Where are you going?
I'm at home.
That's your house?
Yes.
Oh, Irvin's rich. Irvin got a big house. Oh, look, Irvin's rich. No, Irvin's actually rich.
Muni aku jarang aku jumpa orang yang ni gila besi, tahu tak?
Irvin, your house is huge.
Astaghfirullahalazim, ya Allah takut. Aku rasa kalau aku duduk dengan aku ni memang kena kiki pitis aku rasa dia ni. Amin.
Your house is huge.
Yes, I know.
So you're rich and you know it.
Yes, I'm so rich in Malaysia. Yes, Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah, yeah. Alhamdulillah. Like how rich? Like millionaire, trillionaire? Like how rich are you?
Yeah.
Itu saya puang gitu.
I want tak sempat hari ni. I want busy.
Irvin, is that your mom?
Huh?
Okay.
Irvin, is that your mom?
No.
Who is that?
Anak buah napa bahasa Inggeris saya Anak buah napa? Ni napa? Allah. Kurang. Anak buah bahasa Inggeris dah.
Who is that?
Wait.
What do you mean, wait?
Nietzsche.
No, you, Nietzsche. I know what you're saying. I speak Malaysian.
Baby fruit. Sun fruit. Sun fruit. Fruit sun.
You're saying fruit?
Dah cukup lah, Ahmed. Okay, what do you want now? Okay?
What do you want? You invited me.
I invite you.
What do
Serious?
you want? You invited me.
Astaghfirullahalazim. Mimpi yang muka Aiwan nak mati dah esok kalau Aiwan invite Ahmed.
What do
Okay.
you want? What do you want? You invited me. What do you want?
Ahmed, you know Birkin, Hermes.
Birkin bag?
Yes. I have two.
I have three.
Oh, you have three.
Three, yeah.
But not original, right?
Huh?
Ha!
Wait, is it real though? Let me see.
No, it's okay. Thank you.
Fake. It's fake.
It's okay. It's up to you.
It's fake.
I don't care.
Oh my gosh. How much is
Okay,
a
Ahmed.
Birkin?
Bye-bye. You go up.
Do you know how much a Birkin is?
You go up.
How much is a Birkin?
Dok, mu nak apa sekarang ni, Ahmed? Please go.
You know, I have a Lamborghini. You know what a Lamborghini is?
I don't care. Go. Bye.
No, you do, because you have a Lamborghini.
So what?
You have a Lamborghini.
Yes. Why?
You have a Lamborghini? You have a Lamborghini.
This car, Ahmed. So?
You have a Lamborghini.
Yes, Ahmed.
What color?
Black color.
Let me see.
Humble mom.
Let me see.
No.
Why?
Aku malas nak turun bawah.
You don't have.
Semua sempurna. Muka handsome gila besi pula.
Everyone just be yapping.
Ahmad, where are you from, Ahmad? Pakistan, right? Pakistan, sorry. Palestine. Apalah ada orang Palestine gini.
Palestine, not.
Sepatutnya ni, aku malah nak royak.
Huh? Are you saying something good?
Yes, good. Palestine. Free Palestine. Tapi untuk Ahmad, no. No free
Yes.
Palestine for Ahmad.
What? No, free Palestine.
Yes, of course. But you know.
You don't want to free me?
No, No. Just you. Okay? Just
Don't
you.
know. Why?
Gaya duk ngatakan orang duli aku, ya ibat aku. Kan aku cerita kan, khabar ke dia, host dia ni pernah mesej aku, suruh naik dia, suruh famous kan dia. Kan aku buka aib host dia kan.
Irvin, you know I'm going to Malaysia. I'm going to Malaysia.
Mukabar ke peminat-peminat Tegar dia tu. Host dia ni batok famous. Kalau nak tahu, suruh aku naikkan dia.
And you know,
Aku tunjuk mesej kan Ahmad. Mukabar sikit ke follower mu kutuk-kutuk aku tu.
Irvin, you know I'm going to Malaysia next week.
Dah cukup Ahmad. Keluar mu. Sumpah guys. Saya malas nak buka aib orang bulan-bulan puasa ni. Khabar ke dia, host kesayangan korang tu mentang-mentang bukan handsome, mu jilak lah. Dia mesej aku, dia suruh aku naikkan dia, suruh famous kan dia. Punya aku nak layang. Kawan pun dah ikhlas.